Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how we make this kind of animation in Blender. You can use this motion in your projects, in your product animations, and also in every kind of animations you made. Especially it's for products, yeah. It's look very nice when you reviews your product like phone, some electronics, something small and have corners. In this tutorial we're gonna make this kind of animation, but how it's gonna look, it's like this. Yeah. We need to change this cube and imagine that's a phone. It's not really matter, I think it's yeah, well, that's a phone. Imagine this. We need to add some bevels to make more like a phone. Before we add the bevels, we need to add a scale. Control A confirms the scale, and now we choose the corners and bevel it. Something like this, I think. Okay, shade of the smooth. Now we need to rotate it to turn around its corner from like somewhere like this, and another one to here. Of course, it's if you rotate it around themselves, it's not rotating correctly as you want around his this corner. It will rotate around his pivot point. There's two solutions of this problem, and I'm gonna show you one of them. You can just add empty, drag it here, make it smaller, yeah, and rotate it to make it like parallel of this corner, like somewhere like here, yeah, and same one here. Now we need to add a parent, choose the object and then choose the empty and press Ctrl P and select object keep transform. Then same thing here. You can now drag this empty and you can move it with phone. I think we're gonna make it somewhere like here. Now we need to adjust the frame range. 91, I think it's okay with that. First we need to animate this lower lower object. Choose this empty of its object, and at the first frame add a keyframe at the rotation. At the last, go to the 91 and R to rotate and double Z. And we need to 180 degrees. And now we apply the keyframe, set the keyframe. And here at the first frame we apply the keyframe, okay. Same thing. And now press R, double Z, and now minus 180 degrees. Okay, I and set the keyframe to the rotation. You need to press choose both of the empties and set interpolation mode to the linear here and here. Let's watch what we done. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, I hope you like it. I also have Instagram account and TikTok. Links were below in the description. Follow me if you find this tutorial helpful. Bye.